Today's pour is all about soft movement, vibrant colors, and letting the paint flow exactly the way it wants. This simple technique turns into something surprisingly beautiful. Welcome back to the Art of Yaomi. On this 10 by 20 inch canvas, I started by pouring magenta, rose pink, cerulean blue, and grass green in relaxed puddles. Nothing complicated, just colors, space, and patience. Sometimes the simplest pours become the most captivating. I wanted to create something joyful today. These colors immediately put me in a good mood, and I knew a blow dryer technique would stretch them into soft, dreamy shapes that feel alive without being too busy. Color theory plays a huge role in why this piece works. Magenta and rose pink are both warm colors with a shared undertone, so they naturally blend beautifully. They create harmony, softness, and warmth. Cerulean blue sits on the cooler side of the spectrum. When you place a cool color next to a warm color, the warm tones instantly appear brighter and more vibrant. This contrast creates energy without overwhelming the viewer. Grass green acts as the bridge that ties everything together. It has elements of both warmth and coolness, which allows the composition to stay balanced. Without green, the painting might feel divided, warm on one side and cool on the other. With green, it becomes unified and whole. In fluid art, choosing colors that reinforce each other is one of the most important parts of the process. Complementary colors create contrast. Parallel colors create harmony and neutrals help reset the eye. Even when the technique is simple, the color theory behind it shapes the final feeling of the artwork. Once the paint was on the canvas, I used a blow dryer to gently push the colors outward in all directions. The goal here isn't to force the paint, it's to guide it. Short bursts of air moving your hand slowly helps each color expand without blending into mud. And the moment the colors start stretching across the canvas, that's where the joy of acrylic pouring happens. It's amazing how a blow dryer can turn simple puddles into flowing, organic shapes. You never truly control it. You just guide it and let the colors reveal their own rhythm. As the paint settled, each color found its place. The warm pinks leaned into the cool blues, and the green peeked through like nature taking a breath, and everything blended into a soft but lively composition. This pour was simple, colorful, and genuinely beautiful on the eyes. Sometimes it's the gentle projects that remind me why fluid art feels so freeing. If you enjoyed this pour, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment, and remember, stay creative and keep painting.